Pakistan's disregard for the rules and protocols once again became evident as it didn't allow Indian Council a complete access to its client Kulbhushan Jadhav, who is on a death row in Pakistan. And this is the situation when the premier global judiciary, the International Court of Justice, has asked Pakistan to review the punishment and provide an unbridled consular access to Indian side.
Pakistan's devious yet juvenile design of framing Kulbhushan Jadhav has been exposed completely. It has been using coercive methods to get a statement from former Indian Navy commander turned businessman who was arrested illegally by its army and was subsequently sentenced to death on charges of espionage. While it failed to establish its case in International Court of Justice and instead was humiliated for crimes on an innocent, it turned to the tactics of getting statement through alternative strategies. Pakistan recently provided consular access to India, but in blatant violation of the law, recorded their conversation. This is an elementary tactic used on inmates to see if the person has changed his statement from what he has been taught. Experts say that he cannot continue to have similar treatment and India must visit ICJ once again to get justice.
Consular access will be meaningful only if there are no Pakistani officials who are listening in. They could torture or threaten Kuldeep Jadhav from speaking the truth. So India clearly has its task cut out in the future on this issue.
Before this, Pakistan had coerced Jadhav into saying that he didn't require any consular access for his case. India had earlier reached the UN court seeking its intervention in the case, opposing the steps taken by the kangaroo courts of Pakistan to hang him till death. Pakistan's argument were overruled. It stands that it was not obligated to allow diplomatic assistance for people suspected of being spies or terrorists was dismissed straight away as the court believed it had breached Jadhav's rights.
They have not been able to advance any evidence or proof or facts which would go to substantiate their claim. And ever since that time, whether it was the trial by the military court, it was a kangaroo court because no charge sheet was presented to Kulbhushan Jadhav, no evidence, no what is the basis of the verdict or even what the verdict is, except that he was sentenced summarily to death.
In order to prevent a further damage to its reputation, Pakistan has taken symbolic steps in the past as well, but didn't provide a real access to his mother and sister who had come to meet him.